Hi everyone, welcome back to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial for this fresh and glowy makeup I have on right here. I really like these kind of looks, especially during the dry / Harmattan season, because it adds the glow back to your face. We all know that Harmattan can dry your face and your skin out, so this look will bring back your glow. You're going to be looking like a glowy bronze goddess. Before we begin this video, please do not forget to subscribe to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell. I'm dancing for you guys. So please, if you really love me, subscribe to my YouTube channel and let us begin. Let us begin. First off, we're going to be starting with the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. I really like this primer because it helps me out with my problem areas, which are my nose, my forehead, and my cheekbones. Also, I get this product from the Beauty Frenzy store, and they have a really great selection of beauty products. You guys have to check them out. I have a discount code for you guys. You can get 5% off your order if it's above 10,000 naira using the code Deola. Yes, I'm one of those YouTubers right now with the code. So use the code Deola with your order of 10,000 naira and you get 5% off. Next, I'm going to be setting my primer with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I always do this to help my skin. You guys know I have oily skin, so this helps me keep the oil at bay. It also helps add a layer of coverage. For my base, I'm going to be using the Black Opal True Color Perfecting Primer. I use this primer. I use primer with like air quotes because this isn't a primer to me. This is like a BB cream. But this is a beautiful glowy BB cream. And I use this product whenever I want a really nice glowy look or a glowy base. Next, I'm going to set my under eyes using the Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One powder in the shade Nutmeg. I like setting my under eyes with a lighter powder because this is going to make it look like I contoured when I actually did not contour. All I'm doing is setting that place with a lighter powder. I'm going to go back with my Maybelline Fit Me powder and set the rest of my of my face with the powder. For my brows, I'm going to start with the Maybelline Brow Drama Gel. Ever since Stephanie Annie did my brows, which by the way, shout out to you, Stephanie, you are amazing. Ever since she did my brows, I don't need to do much for my brows anymore. And for this natural look, all I'm going to do is use the Brow Drama Gel to slick down my brows. And what's perfect about this gel is that this gel has a pigment to it. So it has a dark brown pigment. So just using the gel on my brows makes it look like I have brows. Like I have brows. I don't need to do much. But unfortunately, I have a bit of some bald patches. So I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Brow Definer and just using... drawing some hair-like strokes. I'm just going to fill in all those areas that, there's no hair growing there so that it doesn't look like patchy or weird. Next, I'm going to be setting my eyelids with some of my powder just to mattify it. Then for my eyelids, I'm going to be using the Sonia Kashuk Chick Luminosity Bronzer and Blush Duo. And I'm going to mix both the blush and the bronzer and apply it all over my lid. This is going to give such a beautiful, beautiful glowy eye look. For my waterline, I'm going to be applying the Black Up Paris waterproof pencil in the shade KSO7, which is a gold pencil. This really opens up and brightens your eyes. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Go Colossal Express for my top lashes, and then for my bottom lashes I'm going to be using the Zaron Lengthening Mascara. For blush, I'm going to be using the PRO Satin Blush in the shade Merlot. I need to really understand why PRO doesn't advertise or like promote her products. She has some really bomb products. Like this blush is so beautiful and so bomb. For highlight, I'm going to go back in with my Sonia Kashuk Cheek Luminosity Bronzer, and I'm just going to apply this generously to my cheekbones. Whenever I do a glowy look, I just keep my glow to my cheekbones. This is just what I do. Some people go back and, you know, add it to the bridge of the nose and stuff, but I just like to keep it to my cheekbones. Now I'm taking my powder brush just to blend out the edges of the blush and the highlight to make sure everything looks nice and neat. For my lips, I'm going in with the Zaron lipstick pen in the shade Mist. I usually use the shade Muse, but for this look, I just wanted something a bit more peachy. Yeah, that's the thing. I wanted peachy. Then I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Luscious liquid lipstick in the shade Baby Lips. Do not let this name deceive you. It's not liquid lipstick. It's literally lip gloss. To finish off, I'll be using the NYX Matte Finishing Spray. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all. Do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and give us a like. I am shimmying my way out of this video. Bye.